with the original miles on there.
Yeah. He does this mid-shift shitty brush. Good shit. Oh, he's a nice good. He's a nice good.
Looks good, man. It lines up nice.
He did a real good job.
I love 500s, man. Always did.
But look at, I mean, it almost looks like it came out of the showroom. It's that close.
It's all nice.
Yeah, he did a hell of a job.
Move this back, move the seat back. More room. Okay, where is it? What you do with it, Vic? There it is. That's all she wrote. Thought she'd get a blanket, huh? Something to put there. How about old style? We'll see how easy this thing is to get to.
Better find the other one first.
I know where the other one is.
All right.
Oh boy. This is not going to be easy. Oh, wait a minute. There it is, right there. Cool. Question is, how do we get to it? Easy.
Maybe it'd be easier if we were on this side.
Yeah, I'm thinking of that.
Right here you can lay, stretch right out.
Yeah. You get over there and go across. All right. Now, can I just like lay down here maybe? I don't know, man. I can't turn around.
Now you gotta go in there upside down. You gotta go in upside down. That's how I do it. Or go on your back. There you go, you're learning.
There it is, right there. How about that? Okay, now. I can see it. One say ignition and one say it doesn't. I saw that. Okay. What's that screw? It looks like there's plenty of wire. And of course it's a hex screw.
Phillips screw?
No, it's a hex, you know,
Really?
like a ratchet type screw.
Oh, okay. Really?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know they used them back then.
You can't tell if that says ignition or what. Yeah, we checked that. Turn on the air conditioner and meter it. Okay. Well, here we go. Okay. That's what we're after right there. Now, start off with the 1/4 inch. It looks like 1/4. We'll try it.
Set it with
That seems to be it. Problem is, I have no place to turn. You know what I'm talking about? Then we need a pair of pliers. Yeah, I don't know if there's any over there or not. ING, it says it. Okay. So the one with the single wire is ignition. Okay. Now there's different mounts on the one. There's a box in the back seat, a little tiny, you know, square box. Got yay big.
back seat or?
Back seat.
Yeah.
I think the other one's in there, the new one. That's the thing we got. Right there. This guy here. Maybe it really is AVIC.
I don't know, you've done a lot of running around with it, didn't you?
Yeah. I think we should go to the gas station. Seems to be, before it was on E. It's a little above E. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
See? A little above it. Then it goes back down, see it? Didn't do that before with the other one. I have a feeling it really is on E. Alright. We just changed the voltage regulator. We think it's on E. Anyway, we're going to find out. Here we go.
Fasten your seatbelts.
Got it?
Yeah, here we go.
Heading over to Wawa. Gasoline. It's just above E, and before it wasn't. So I really think it is on empty. If it's all working right. We shall see. We shall see. It's going to be funny. I wonder if the guy knows where that gas thing is. Guess we're going to find out, huh? Better go down here and try to stick your nose out over here. Know what I mean? right, this is what's up.
All right, what's up?
Okay, this is what's up. This is what we're doing.
All right.
We just changed out the voltage regulator in the cluster for the gas gauge.
Okay.
It's reading A, a little bit off of B.
Okay.
All right. So what I'd like you to do is increment your input and let me check.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like
Okay. Little
2
bit at a time.
gallons, 2 gallons, let me check it.
No problem. Premium? Premium or
No, regular.
regular?
Yeah. So you found it, huh?
No.
You found
I
it.
looked behind the plate first and wait, something's wrong here. Cash?
Yes, this is all going to be cash. All right, so we're going to do like 2 gallons,
No
right?
problem. Then you want to check it, right?
Right.
Thank you.
All right. So, what's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? Yeah! Quarter tank. All right, that's good. That's good. 2 more.
2 more it is.
We got a quarter tank on the gauge.
All right. Let's see what happens.
All right.
Like 4 gallons.
All right.
4 gallons even.
Okay. Half tank. I think the gauge is working right. All right, keep going.
I like that color blue. That's nice,
You
man.
like that?
I like that.
That's my own mix.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
That's a little odd, but I didn't know there's so many different blues. Uh-oh. Nope.
I guess that's good. Full is good. Yeah. Looks like we're all right. So how many gallons are in there?
7 gallons.
Okay.
Okay?
Did it kick back on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it like way, can you see if it's
No, I don't see it.
up the neck?
No, it's not up the neck.
Okay, that's good.
Okay?
All right, that's good, man.
All right.
Thank you.
No, not
Alright. Now, since the engine in the car is not the original engine, and there has been a couple of videos saying that it's not the original engine. The engine in there is from 1965. Now, the thing is I don't like the fact that the car is going to be over there for 2 months outside of the garage, not inside. So I'm trying to think of some way to keep the car out of the weather. All my hard work. Okay. The only way I can think on doing that is to get another engine. Now this one is a newer engine. This one's from 1967 out of a Mustang. Exactly the same engine. And that's what we're going over to look at. Hopefully everything's good. Then I gotta talk to the shop about when they're, taking the engine there and then doing the swap over. Then I'll have the 1965 engine, and I could either keep that one and rebuild that one, or just keep it and save it for another time and day. So that's where we're headed. And we're almost there. See what it looks like.
Pretty hard.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Power steering and all, huh?
Yep, comes with everything.
I don't have power steering.
Well, it's easy to put it in there.
Yeah.
All it is a shock.
Let's start with the numbers. Yeah, look at that. See, mine don't have that. Mine don't have that at all. Looks the same. It does. It looks the same. Well, how heavy is it?
I don't remember. It's
Pretty heavy. 300?
Probably. Comes with everything,
Oh man, they had alternators in 67? It's 67, right?
Yep.
Alright, let me do some research. I want to make sure it'll fit right in there. Even with some of my, like this off.
Yep.
Okay.